Hi there, welcome to today's class. Our lesson for today is data presentation, and by the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Construct pie charts from a given data set, and 2. Interpret and use pie charts for data presentation. Can you recall the Django Kids JSS 1 and JSS 2 lessons on data collection and data presentation, where we learned all about data and why and how we can collect, record and present it? Recall we learned that data presentation is the simplified visual representation of data through tables, diagrams, graphs and texts. Remember, we also learned about methods of data presentation, where we learned about the frequency table, how to construct it, and how to interpret data presented on it. A frequency table is a tabular way of data presentation. From our definition of data presentation, we did mention data may also be presented using diagrams and charts. One and perhaps the most interesting way of data presentation using diagrams and chart is through the use of what we call a pie chart. As the name suggests, pie charts look just like a pizza. Just like a pizza, a pie chart is divided into sectors representing individual data values. Hence, a pie chart can be defined as a diagrammatic representation of data in a whole circle, with each sector in the circle representing an element of the collected data, just like a pizza. Note that the total value of the pie chart is always 100%, and each sector in the circle shows a fraction of the total percentage. Wouldn't you love to learn how to construct a pie chart as you've learned how to construct a frequency table? Well, I'm here to teach you just that. Remember that your knowledge of frequency tables would come in handy in constructing pie charts, as pie charts are usually constructed using a frequency table. Let's look at this example of the fruit preference of students in JSS 1B and see if we can construct a pie chart. To construct a pie chart accurately, you would need a pencil, a mathematical sets compass, and a protractor. Secondly, since a full circle mathematically equals 360 degrees, we have to calculate the degree value of each data sector using the formula value of the component over total value times 360 degrees. In applying this formula to our example, we would convert the frequency of each fruit into degrees. For oranges, we would calculate 80 divided by 3 multiplied by 360, which equals 95.9 degrees and is approximately 96 degrees. For bananas, we would calculate 15 divided by 3 multiplied by 360, which equals 180 degrees. And for pineapples, we would calculate 7 divided by 30 multiplied by 360, which equals 83.9 degrees, which is approximately 84 degrees. Having gotten the degree value of all the fruits, we then construct our pie chart using our pencil, mathematical compass and protractor. The first step is to draw a circle using a pencil and a compass. The second step is to draw a suitable radius from the circle's center point. You can easily locate the circle's center point by looking for the hole left by the pointed edge of your compass. Next, having drawn the radius as the starting point, we then place the protractor on the line. Make sure you place the straight vertical line of the protractor on the center of the circle and the horizontal line of the protractor on the radius. Then mark out 96 degrees and draw a sector from the circumference of your circle to its center. We then label it orange and write 96 degrees on it. Next, we place the protractor on the line we just drew, mark out 180 degrees and draw a sector. We then label it banana and write 180 degrees on it. Finally, we then use the protractor to mark out 84 degrees and draw a sector from the circumference of our circle to its center. We then label it pineapple and write 84 degrees on it. There, our pie chart is ready. Isn't it amazing how well it represented our data? We would even color each sector to make it really fun and easy to interpret. Doesn't it look just like a pizza? From the pie chart, we can easily interpret the information that most of the students in JSS 1B prefer bananas as it has the largest sector on our pie chart, that the least preferred fruit in JSS 1B is pineapples, which has the smallest sector on our pie chart. Fun, isn't it? With that, we have come to the end of our lesson on data presentation, in which we have learned about data presentation using pie charts and how to construct pie charts using a compass and a protractor. See you in the next class.